want to address a hot topic that has been circulating lately. The speculation that the housing market is headed for a crash and that we are stuck in a bubble. Let's not rely on rumors and hearsay. Instead, we'll dive into the real data from trusted sources like Case-Shiller, FHFA, CoreLogic, and understand what is truly happening with home price appreciation. See for yourself in the following home appreciation chart. Here, you will see that this year in 2023, appreciation is tracking at 5 to 10% as a pace. This means a home of $500,000 in January of 2023 will be worth roughly between $525,000 and $550,000 by the end of the year, or $160 to $330 more in payment per month. Follow us to keep your pulse on the market and make smart, informed decisions.